Hello again, folks. Another unboxing video here. And spoiler alert, it is a vintage alarm, so we'll go ahead and get straight into it. I'm really looking forward to this one. This is something I've been wanting for quite a long time, so I will say I'm definitely looking forward to getting into it. Just want to be careful. There we go. Okay, since I don't have my scissors with me right now, this will have to do. There we go. All right, and as you can see, just like from my SS74R box and from my SS74R video, we have another one of these old BRK boxes. And I'm gonna say this again, you know it's gonna be good when you have this box. So yeah, and if you look right here, yep, this is a BRK 77R. I do have a similar one already, but I'll show that to you a little later. Alright, here's the warranty card, it looks like. And here's the manual. Interesting there. So get those aside. Now let's get to the device itself. Anchors and screws. And here it is. BRK 77R. And here's the back label. BRK 77R, as expected. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Here it is. It is a little dirty from the battery corrosion, but that's no big deal. Based on the date code, it's made on 1978. My best guess is the 33rd day. It has the spots for where a test socket could be, but this one does not come with one. But yeah, there's your squealer, Kobayashi CLB27. And right there is your sensitivity adjustment right below the button. And over here is where your battery goes in. And I actually already have a battery with me, so we'll go ahead and plop that in there. Oh. Okay, I need to adjust sensitivity because it's falsing. That's no big deal. There we go. Sensitivity adjusted. Alright, now let's go ahead and give this a test. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, and it works. Definitely very glad it works. So, yeah, BRK 77R. And these things are definitely known for being pretty sensitive, and which makes sense because these are from the 70s. And there's your 77R Fashion 9 sound. But yeah, that is the BRK 77R. It's ionization, of course. And I actually do have something similar. I have the First Alert SA76RS. This is a direct rebrand of the 77R. So yeah, the 77R is what started this whole thing. So over here is my SA76RS. The circuitry is pretty much the same, except that this one came with the test socket. So yeah, that's really the only difference with this one I have here. Although all rebrands can have a test socket included. But yeah, 77R, SA76RS. And now, the 77R, it is a direct successor of the BRK 76R, which is basically this with the SA76RS cover, and it takes a 12.6 volt battery. The 77R replaced the 76R for a more user friendliness, I believe, because this is actually the very first alarm that takes a 9 volt battery. So that's probably why these were super popular back in the day. So yeah, and honestly, I could definitely see why, because these things are definitely pretty good. These things were definitely pretty good at the time they were being produced. So yeah, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing video. Definitely super happy to have this now, as these are actually really hard to come across. So yeah, definitely happy to have one. And definitely a great addition to my vintage collection, I will say that. So yeah, that was going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.